Okay, so this is how to recover tokens sent to wrong address or wrong network on Robinhood Chain. Now, Robinhood Chain is a pretty new chain, and many wallets and exchanges are still trying to integrate it into their platform, even though it's an EVM chain. So platforms like Trust Wallet and MetaMask and decentralized platforms like that have some chances of getting your token back. So this is how to get it back if you send wrong tokens to the wrong address. So I am assuming you sent the token to Trust Wallet. Okay. Now on the Trust Wallet interface, it looks blank like this, and I'm assuming you sent Ethereum on Robinhood Chain. This is how you get it back. So now, first thing you need to do is you just need to go to token, then you search manage chain. You click on manage. Now search Ethereum or just search Robinhood. Now you can see Ethereum on Robinhood chain right there. You can just enable it, and you should be able to see your Ethereum. It's just that simple. Now, if you are actually, if let's say it's other token. Now, if it's other token, all you need to do is just to go to your browser and search Robinhood Explorer. Now, when you search Robinhood Explorer, tap on it. Now you need to paste the transaction hash ID of the token you sent to Robinhood to your wallet. Now, when you paste that, you should be able to get the token contract address. But for the case of this tutorial, I'm just going to get a random tokens contract address right here. So you can see that there are a couple of tokens right here. So many, so many, so many, so many. So let's choose one. Let me take this one for instance. I'll tap to copy the contract address. So you get the contract address of the token, then you go to your Trust Wallet. Now you paste the contract address of the token. If the token doesn't reflect, okay, especially if it's pretty new token, you tap on this button right here, and then you click here, search Robinhood chain. So you can still see you paste it right there, and then you click import, and voila, that's it. There you have it. Your token will be made available. So if you are facing this issue, or maybe your own case is pretty different and then you're finding it difficult to recover yours, now you can email me at nbarino@gmail.com or send me a message on Instagram, barinotradex, and then I'll be able to guide you to recover yours.